In this video, I will show you how to activate an international market in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click Markets from the left sidebar. On the Markets page, click Create Market. Enter a name for your new market, such as International, and then click Add Market. Next, click Add Countries or Regions and select the countries where you want to sell your products. Once you've selected your countries, click Done. After that, review the market settings. You can configure options such as local currencies, languages, domains, pricing, product availability, and taxes depending on your business needs. Also, make sure you have shipping rates set up for the countries you've added, otherwise customers in those regions won't be able to complete their purchases. When everything is ready, locate the status section and change the market from draft to active. Finally, click Save to activate your international market. That's it, your Shopify store is now ready to sell to customers in the countries you've selected. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.